How to fix too many friends problem in Snapchat. For that you have to head into the settings on your mobile device. Once you get access to your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now open the app management and search for the Snapchat on the search bar. Once you open the Snapchat, you'll get access to the app info page of Snapchat where you have to tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Once you have cleared the cache, you need to come back from this and go back to your home screen. Tap and hold the Snapchat app, and here you can see the trash or the dustbin icon. Simply you have to tap on it and tap on uninstall. Once you have installed the app, reinstall the app. Then your problem might be fixed. If it is not yet fixed, then go ahead on the Snapchat app. Go to the chats at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just you have to select the friends whom you want to remove from your friend list. Just tap and hold and tap on manage friendship and tap on remove friend. In order to confirm, you have to tap on remove, and just randomly you can remove the friends which you don't want on your friend list. So this is how you can easily fix too many friends on your Snapchat problem. So that's how we fix the problem. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for the thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.